Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Bcrypt hash error, then let's look at the solutions. So the first solution would be is to update Windows. We do that by right clicking on the start button, clicking on settings, and we will click on Windows Update, check for updates, and while that is going on, advanced options, optional updates, and we will update any drivers that are ready for update. Now the second solution is to run a malware scan, and we can do that by looking for virus and threat protection systems. Click on virus and threat protection. Now folks, if you already have a third party virus or malware uh, app in your system, installed in your system, then Windows will show it to you here, and then you need to run the malware and the virus scan through the third party app. But if you're using a stock virus and threat protection system like me that is already pre-installed by Windows, then you can go to scan options, click on full scan and scan now, and this should fix the error. If these two options don't work, then the only option left is to reinstall the programs or the program. So what we can do is right click on start, go to settings, apps, installed apps, and now we will sort it by date installed. So let me say that on 23rd of August I never faced this error, but after the 23rd I started facing this error. This error messages kept generating on the system. So what I will do is, after the 23rd, on the 25th, these uh, apps were installed. So what I will do is I will click on these three tabs and uninstall these softwares, and I will reinstall them, and this should fix the error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.